In this video, we're giving an honest review of Inc. Authority to help you decide if it's worth using for your business setup. Inc. Authority is best known for offering free LLC formation. You only pay your state filing fees, and it includes 1 year of registered agent service at no cost. This makes it appealing for new entrepreneurs who want to launch a business without high upfront expenses. Many users praise the company for its easy-to-follow setup process and friendly support team that guides you through each step. However, there are some drawbacks you should be aware of. After the initial free setup, Inc. Authority introduces several paid add-ons, and users often mention aggressive upselling for services like business credit coaching, compliance assistance, and extended registered agent coverage. Some also report surprise charges or renewal fees after the first year, so it's important to read all terms carefully before agreeing to anything. While their filing process is generally quick and reliable, certain requests, like expedited service or physical documents, may cost extra. Overall, Inc. Authority is a solid choice for entrepreneurs starting on a tight budget who want a straightforward LLC formation service. But if you prefer transparent pricing and fewer sales pitches, you might want to explore other providers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest business and tech insights.